Mpanyinfo se kwase abuo ne mentem ho ase nti na yesi court dan. Ni santi no Daddy Lumba yire panyin efe na Akosua Serwaa team legal wife ote Germany no. Odrage ye Odo Broni ne Daddy Lumba busa pen efe ne Kofi Wusu. Ene eye mochre kura Daddy Lumba bodihye. Eye transition funeral home. Edo ko Kumasi High Court say Daddy Lumba wu awuro mentem ho ase bi enam say Odo Broni na obeye Daddy Lumba made no. Ono eye no ho se Daddy Lumba e ware no so mara kwan so no ente saa nti court nhwe na omo enka biye de emfama omo nti no ya na team legal wife nkrofo ya na Daddy Lumba nua ba panin ye fe ne nestina fosu brempoma ono eka ho bi ekopi mo Kumasi High Court na court no tena ase wie no ensem ekosu na no abusuane secretary e de press release ababonti tia say the BBC Ghana yaba bonten na press release na the family secretary ndi ababonten yaba na ni usi nkonya na ebeba mu na unya ho ntiase ye pantie nsa ebre kura no ebre ni homa odasani sa yenko kratar mu nsem na yenkenka na yenchichire mu na obi antene ho ase to see press release widow and sister of the late Mr. Charles Kojofosu confident in ongoing legal proceedings over custody and funeral rights into him or say on behalf of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu, the widow, and Mrs. Ernestina Fosu, elder sister of the deceased, and family secretary, no, and all this letter where the Ababon, Tanya, or Betchin, Semua, how I name a course or court them horum. Or say at the court setting held today in Ghana, the family of the late Mr. Charles Kojofosu, represented by counsel Mr. William Kosi, pursued their case to establish the lawful authority over the custody and funeral arrangement of the deceased. Until team legal wife Akosua Serwaa ne Ernestina Fosu no omo lawyer wojire mo omo camera de mo omo no e fe lawyer no Mr. William Kosi Esquire ono na o push say Akosua Serwaa Fosu no ono betimanya the final authority say ono na be yekonani na fe Daddy Lumba so body no na mu na she transition home so no omo the final authority over it. Or see the case which is before a competent court was initiated by the widow, Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu, supported by the sister of the deceased, Mrs. Ernestina Fosu. The family expresses deep appreciation to friends, loved ones, and sympathizers for their unwavering support during this challenging period. In this case, yakwada court, nipa move this case, and nipa this case, neko pimo court, Daddy Lumba, ne oba odika, na sa nire paini, Akosua Serwaa, and the nipa also boni chidong no. Daddy Lumba nua ba pan ne Ernestina Fosu na omo da na fofo ne adofo na ase so motimi ata omachi aginomachi agigina pa in all these times pending the court's final determination. No person or group including Mr. Kofi Wusu the Bushapani and his associate has the lawful right to claim or remove the body of the deceased from the transition funeral home in Hacho, Accra. Any such act would amount to a violation of ongoing court proceedings and could attract serious legal consequences. In the court, also such say court in for final verdict and beto abontino. Abusapani friend Mr. Kofi Wusu ni ho kwanya say obeko eye mochra Daddy Lumba da mochra Daddy Lumba da na from transition funeral home e wo Hacho or Accra. Te abusapani no Kofi Wusu ena Odo Broni ena Roman father obi bia o kan Odo Broni abusapani hu bia no obi bia ni hu kwan se obekwa ko yi Daddy Lumba mu no ana Daddy Lumba body no afire ye transition funeral home hono se obi eye sa dwumadi na che se wa breach eye mera ya hwe yi a sobo ana se tabo a court betwa mana tua na enye tabo keto akora. The matter before the court seeks to clarify the legal authority local standing of the widow, Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu, to bring the action. The case has been adjourned to 28th of October 2025 when a possible judgment is expected. In the assembly that court na no ne fap mijina say court be establish say Akosua Serwaa no the oba Daddy Lumba e wale legally. Obi oka hu bia na bia bi hu mire enchenchen made for this sequence for because Akosua Serwaa chirim say Daddy Lumba e ware no abusuamu esa akotintim krata o court e ojama bontene so ndi say ben mane oba akware o court mremu abram sensan krata ntwitwa asa awade mu ben mane say ntimi mfa ho kware oba hofro bi e baburu fefe bigami Nti as long as Daddy Lumba ne ware wo jama amremu na to the best of her knowledge no Daddy Lumba ene sensan krata mu an cancel sa marriage no Daddy Lumba sentimi fa na chi enko ware oba hofuru bia. Nti nna se court na establish ono no Akosua Serwaa the only legal wife of Daddy Lumba. During the previous sitting, her ladyship, Justice Dorinda Smith-Atta, cautioned the defendant, Mr. Kofi Wusu, against any deliberate attempt to delay proceedings, warning that such conduct would result in heavy penalties. The family commends the court for its fairness, professionalism, and commitment to due process. Nteye otemuafo otena konyamu eye nra Kumasi High Court no ye fe no eye owurayere Dorinda Smith-Atta mbranimfo panipa no wo de won kese pa e de koma busapani Mr. Kofi Wusu se wonim ne wonim ahwe ne yi na oye na adwene se obeye no ho delay tactics bi koto suba bi achichide suba bi ni ade se na be ya be ma court nsensem trans ne tima dila ahwe ya sobon be bono ye sobo keto akranti o make sure say obeke kan ho na nema bibia no proceedings ne bibia de akontam wano. The Fosu family remains confident that the rule of law will prevail and that the dignity of the late Mr. Charles Fosu will be protected. They also believe that the outcome of this case will also serve as an important legal precedent, reinforcing the rights of lawful spouses. And to omu chiremu se Akosua Serwaa lawyers ne ne mpanyinfo chiremu se omo ewo gidie pa ewo Ghana mbremu so mo hwe ne bibia de akosuye na saa anamuti omuti ne anamuti so mu di Daddy Lumba numu as na emom no omo de stu saa na mo se ne be betima protect emma ya waro mo mra kwa so se be ma waro oba o mra kwa so akotintim krata o court no saa be ma ni hu kwa se obesa fa oba na chi akowaro oba hofro abra saa wade edika na eda so ho ha yentwetwa mu. Nti Daddy Lumba the same thing na ekoso wa wara Akosua Serwaa o Germany mbramu ene wa fa na cha betra Ghana na obe ware Odo Broni no woto. Nti se saa case we see no omu diwi a emuaye be kono betima se was a president ena akoko otuma na se mramu a there can never be any ruling without president. Sansana judge bia otemofo betimi abu asem bia na also hwe president enema di ka akọ the same similar matter no how I see me be atwam no how a judgment call nti saa asem Daddy Lumba nsem ye koso no se omutimi bu asem wie na se obi anya na ho ntiase a ebe se was a legal president ya daachi bia na se bema bi e ware oba bi o mra kwan so na saa bema na fa oba na chi ko oba hofra Daddy Lumba case we ne ebe da ho se scenario ebe timagina so de bu saa asem na be see in the near future no nti eye pa se Akosua Serwaa twisa asem we e wo mra kwan so se ne be se was a president edema awadefo bia in the near future ti bema ware oba do ko hye court say pa hu no say sa wade no ntwetwa mu a ewo mra kwa mu a wuni hu kwan say obekwa ware oba hoforo bia bi. Was say family statement was say my only wish is that my husband is laid to rest with dignity and respect he deserves according to the law. That is Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu, widow of the late Mr. Charles Fosu team. Akosua Serwaa no Daddy Lumba yire panyina wodika ware no mra kwan mu no wo se na de sede ne koma so de na ne se bitimanya ne kunu kura brebe na obenya ebu a wo deserve na mse saa watim no akame ne ye kwa ha ye ba ha na emwa na emu se ne be ya no kure be dadi ntino na se ma be pie ko se ne bitima wi ne yesi Daddy Lumba no kredie kwa so ye obi abinya na sumdwie ko Daddy Lumba yini paketo asa Ghana na ye support ne man ka Daddy Lumba nka we Ghana for Michael Jackson kasa enti eba Daddy Lumba so nia ba pen efe ne Mrs. Ernestine Fosu brempoma no so a ono so de nsemfu akakra kan wase we are confident that truth and justice will prevail. This case is not only about our brother but also about protecting the rights of women who are lawful spouses in Ghana. We believe that through the cause fairness and respect for the deceased will be upheld. Until Daddy Lumba nia ba pen efe ne Mrs. in is the for some shirem say saa asemi omo twene court asere ne abasa no enye se omo ye for the interest of omo nia be man nko da bi da nem se ne be oba bi ote Ghana ba bi bia ya be ma ware no mra kwan so court asensan kratan betima protect no se ne bia be man ntimi mfa ne chinko ware oba hofro nti ordinance marriage no we saa asemi yakopim court no e ba be hye ordinance marriage mu kana to ya brante na wasi so na kwara oba na kopi mo court won se da bi so yo be ma pese wontimi wara oba ba kode a ene court ho de emfa oba ko kuwura honom okoye ne ho ade wo fie na opa obi atena because asem we ba se ba se president se ne bia fidachi bia no sa asem bi eti se eba bonten pe o se judge and lawyers no kwatwe sa docket we di ba no mo hwese ne ni masisi de ko ntebusafo se ne di ka kam Justice Dorinda Smith Arthur otena se eye na wo Kumasi High Court no watu asem da hye da se 28th October 2025 ena ombesa atena se misu bimti the BBC Ghana yani edi asem na chi pa yani di asem na chi pa nti de bekom bia no ye de hu update so de ebebro Daddy Lumba asem de yani di achiri pa because we Ghana no we de hye konkrom we national resource one kasa ti memory fi say oba subscribe to the BBC Ghana e be sa ba na sibi